DIY tutorial. It is a Valentine's Day love candle holder. I saw this, I want to say it was on Pinterest and also on Amazon, I do believe. But I'll post you guys the picture of it. So I'm going to do this real quick, and then I may have another short one for you depending on how this video goes. So stick around and see, guys. What you're going to need is these plaques. These are kind of a medium size long rectangular plaques that they have at the Dollar Tree. And then you're going to need 2 of these, and then you're going to need 1 of these, the smaller, thinner ones that they have. You're going to need 2 of the rectangular. I want to get you the measurements of that. I'll post that in the description box. But the picture frames, the rectangular ones. And you're going to need your love sign. I had this one from last year, and I'm just going to be reusing it. I had it for another project last year. I think they have more, but I'm not sure if they have the butterflies on them this time. I think they're plain right now. And then you're going to need some rocks. Now I'm using white, but you guys can use whichever color you like to do this project. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to have to take that covering off of the wood piece, because we just need the wood piece. So we're going to have to take that off of there. And then to do that, it's probably best if you guys use a box cutter or an X-Acto knife to do this. But I had this on hand right away, so I just grabbed it. And this is not an easy task, so please be careful when taking this off, because you may cut yourself on the staples like I did. So that's just an FYI. Please be careful taking those off. And once you get them around, they're pretty easy to come off. And this one is trying to prove me wrong. So we're going to put these together using a little bit of wood glue and our trusty glue gun. Now that we have that glued together, we're going to go ahead and place it on our base. And we're going to do the same thing. Using our wood glue and our glue gun. So I'm going to try to center this as best I can. And I don't know if you can see that, but I left a little bit in the back here. But I left a little more here because that's where we're going to be placing our love sign. So I'm going to let this sit for a while. I'm going to place something heavy on top of it and let it sit for a while, and then I'm going to take it and spray paint it. And then I will come back. So we are finished with our spray painting. So this is how it looks now. Now we're just going to add our glass, and I've already cleaned my glass. It doesn't really look like it, but I have a few fingerprints on here. And what we're going to do is just add the glass to each side. And we will do that using our Gorilla Glue. And I'm using the clear Gorilla Glue. And we'll use our hot glue gun as well. And just put a little pressure on that. And we'll do the same with the other side. Okay. So okay, that's that. So now we'll put our love sign on. Now we can just put our love sign on because it will look nice just the way it is. But I will probably do some little bit of glittering and that kind of thing. And then I'll put it on. But you want to make sure that you have some rocks in here before you put your candles in. So we'll go ahead and do that. So you're probably going to need a bag and a half, I want to say. So that's okay. So once you have all your rocks in, you're just going to make sure they're level on each side. And then we'll come back. I'll put the love sign on. We're going to put something around these edges as well so that we're not cutting ourselves while we're touching this. So I'll come back and let you guys see that. So our love sign is painted as well. And I just want to glitter the butterflies. So I'm going to use some on my punch here. Now you can leave it as it is, or you could even change the color of the butterfly if you like. Maybe make it pink or whatever color you like to make it. That would be your choice. And that would be easy enough. All you would need is some acrylic paint and a brush and just do what I'm doing now. And then I'll do the same thing with the other butterfly. And that's what it looks like. Okay. So now I'm just going to place this on our set. And I'm going to do this using wood glue and my hot glue. Basic and simple. Now I am going to use my bling wrap, and then I'm going to take it around the edges there so the edges are not so sharp. And I may do something to cover up the back and the sides here so that you don't see those where those two boards come together. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll let you guys see the finished product. And here it is, guys, a beautiful love candle holder that you can use in any room in your home, and it is so lovely. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see more home holiday DIY